Picture this. It's a hectic weeknight, and you're prepping dinner for a family of 4. The kids want crispy fries, your partner craves roasted chicken, and you're aiming for a healthier meal that doesn't skimp on flavor. Sound relatable? This Topzee 8-quart large air fryer with dual baskets is here to save the day, turning chaotic meal prep into a seamless experience. With its dual basket design, easy view windows, and 8 versatile cooking functions, this air fryer is a must-have for anyone wanting to cook smarter, healthier, and faster. Let's explore why this air fryer is transforming kitchens everywhere. Why the Topzee dual basket air fryer shines. Air fryers have changed home cooking, but the Topzee 8-quart dual basket air fryer takes it further. Its sleek black design, intuitive touchscreen, and robust features make it a powerhouse for busy households, health-conscious cooks, and food enthusiasts. Whether it's a quick weeknight meal or a weekend gathering, this air fryer delivers crispy, delicious results with minimal effort. Here's what makes it stand out. Dual basket versatility. 2 independent 4-quart baskets allow simultaneous cooking of 2 dishes. Imagine fries in one and salmon in the other. No waiting required. Finish together. Function. Sync different cooking times and temperatures, so both dishes are ready at the same moment, hot and fresh. Double efficiency mode. Use both baskets as one 8-quart unit for larger meals, perfect for family dinners or gatherings. Easy view windows. Clear windows on each basket let you monitor progress without opening, ensuring perfect crispiness every time. 8. Cooking modes. Switch effortlessly between air fry, roast, broil, bake, dehydrate, reheat, French fries, and preheat modes for endless recipe possibilities. Healthier cooking. Enjoy crispy, flavorful meals with up to 85% less oil than traditional frying, cutting calories without sacrificing taste. Precise temperature control. Adjust from 90 degrees Fahrenheit to 400 degrees Fahrenheit for flexibility, from dehydrating fruits to crisping fries. Effortless cleanup. Non-stick, dishwasher-safe baskets and crisper plates make post-meal cleanup quick and easy. Recipe inspiration. Included, comes with 17 delicious recipes to kickstart your culinary creativity, from wings to veggie chips. This air fryer is built for real-life cooking, making balanced, delicious meals stress-free. Who is this air fryer for? The Topzee 8-quart dual basket. Air fryer is ideal for busy families. Cook kid-friendly and adult-approved dishes at once, saving time on busy nights. Health-conscious cooks. Enjoy fried foods with less fat, perfect for calorie-conscious or dietary goals. Entertainers. The 8-quart capacity and dual basket mode handle large batches for parties or gatherings. Beginner cooks. Intuitive controls and presets simplify cooking, while recipes boost confidence. Small space dwellers. Its compact yet powerful design fits neatly on countertops, maximizing kitchen space. This air fryer adapts to any cooking style or household size with unmatched versatility. To get the most out of your air fryer, try these tips. Layer. Sparingly. Arrange food in a single layer for the crispiest results. Overcrowding can cause uneven cooking. Experiment with presets. Use the 8 cooking modes as a guide, but adjust temperatures and times for your recipes. Use parchment liners carefully. Liners can simplify cleanup, but add food before turning on the fryer to avoid flyaways. Clean. Regularly. Wipe the exterior and clean baskets after use to maintain performance. Dishwasher-safe parts make this easy. Explore recipes. Start with the included booklet, then seek out air fryer recipes online for fresh ideas. Enjoying comfort foods like fries or wings while meeting health goals. Cooking for picky eaters who love fried textures but need balanced meals. Experimenting with fresh ingredients like veggies or lean proteins for nutrient-rich dishes. No product is flawless. and the Topzee air fryer has a few quirks. Size: though compact for 8 quarts, it's larger than single basket models, so check your counter space. Learning. Curve. Sinking. Cooking times may take practice, but the intuitive controls help. Recipe variety. The booklet focuses on savory dishes, so dessert lovers may need to look online. Why buy now? The Topzee 8-quart dual basket air fryer is a kitchen investment that saves time, promotes health, and delivers flavor. Its dual basket design, easy view windows, and 8 cooking functions make it a versatile tool for any cook. Whether you're feeding a family, hosting friends, or meal prepping, this air fryer ensures consistent, crispy results with minimal effort. Its health-focused cooking and easy cleanup let you enjoy your favorite foods guilt-free. If you enjoyed this review, like the video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.